Hey, Jeannie Bradley here, your essential fairy godmother. I've got a room spray, foaming hand soap that smells like heaven, and a cleaner. And I'm not a DIY girl, but these are super fast, so I'm going to show you what I do. When I first got essential oils, I realized that I could have something so much safer for my family in my bathrooms instead of that fake stuff. And I got rid of all the plugins and all those things because I didn't want the fake stuff and so much better for you. So all this is purified water from my fridge. This is a 4-ounce bottle, and I got it from aromatools.com or amazon.com has them also. In this one I put in doTERRA's new holiday oil called Holiday Peace. And I just put about 8 drops in here. And if you want it to stay emulsified, so if you want the oils and the water to stay mixed up, just add a few pinches of salt and shake it up, and that helps it stay emulsified. Emulsified. But it pretty much stays. Like I don't even have to, shake this very much. It smells like a forest in here. That's Holiday Peace. So much better for you. Almost all the oils will help with immune boost. None of the sprays you get from the store for $2 are going to do that. It also helps, all the oils help with emotional things. All of them do. And I know we have emotional oils, but all the oils actually affect you in different ways emotionally. And the other thing it does is it helps purify the air. So almost all the oils will do that. So you've got 3 for the price of 1, and this is pennies for this. And then you just refill it. And the great thing about using this as a room spray is most sprays for your bathroom just mask scents, or they try to mask it and make it worse. And this actually helps purify the air without having toxic stuff going on. You can have them in your kitchen too, but I usually keep my diffuser going, so I don't need it in my kitchen. Next is, I love this. This is a foaming hand soap. Now, I love doTERRA's OnGuard foaming hand soap. Now, this is not doTERRA's foaming hand soap because sometimes I like a different scent, so I'll tell you what I do. Just fill this up with water first, right? Because you want it filled up with water first, and then put your soap in. This is just Castille soap. Just baby safe Castille liquid soap that I got from Amazon. You can, there's all different kinds, but this was fine. This is a foaming hand soap dispenser that I got off of Amazon. So I'm going to show you. In this one, I ended up putting in Holiday Joy, which is doTERRA's other scent, and it smells very cinnamony. So here we go. Okay, there it is. It's safe. It's pennies for this. And it's fabulous. It smells like heaven. And in the summertime, when I'm not wanting it to smell cinnamony or like a forest or something, I use Citrus Bliss or Wild Orange, and the same with this, okay? Other oils that you could use, like let's say you don't want to use Holiday Joy or Holiday Peace, cinnamon, wild orange. Cinnamon and wild orange together are really good for making it smell like wassail or something like that. Ginger and clove and cinnamon together, I mean, those pack a punch as far as immune boost, but they also make it smell like gingerbread in your house, okay, on your hands. There's Siberian fir or Douglas fir if you just want it to smell like a pine tree on your hands. Or you can just use OnGuard, and OnGuard smells Christmassy too because it's got cinnamon and clove in it. So those are a bunch of ideas of what you could use at least for Christmas time. Lastly is a cleaner. I'm not going to be eating this cleaner, so I'm totally fine putting it in a plastic container. This is 24 ounces of water, and this is doTERRA's OnGuard Cleaner Concentrate. Now, I first started using this when I found out that my friend's maid service loved this so much that they just transferred over and decided they wanted to only use this cleaner because it was so amazing. All you do is for a general cleaner, you use 2 tablespoons, and that's makes, in this whole thing, it ends up being $1.21 for the safest, most effective cleaner that you've got, and it's amazing degreaser in the kitchen. So 2 tablespoons in 24 ounces of water. The directions are on here, just so you know. Then for the bathroom, all you need is 3 tablespoons, and that makes it a grand total of $1.81. You don't have any of the blue coloring or any of that you get in most cleaners. There you go. It's safe, it's effective, and it's way less expensive than other things. So you've got a room spray, a cleaner, and a foaming hand soap. So again, this is Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother.